Hello everybody, thanks for joining me again. On this episode, I'm just on this conclusive episode, I'm gonna show you what the differences are between the voltages, because what I have is between 3 and 12 volt on a 2000 mega amp DC transformer that makes the thing run around, you know. So what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be giving it little taps. So right now we're at 3 volts. Okay, I'm gonna do a complete lap and then I'm gonna change. Okay, so now this is gonna become 4.5. Okay, low taps, no, full taps and release right away. At 4.5 volts. Okay, now we're gonna jump to 6 volts. You see, it starts to become very fast. Obviously, as I said, this is a tryout track. I'm gonna make a longer track, straightaways and stuff like that. It's cool because it's kids and it's fun. Alright, so now we're going to 7.5. Oh, you see the difference of distance traveled with one press. Now we're gonna jump to 9 volts. You see, starting to the braids are getting all twisted on this kind of wrong track. Alright, one more lap because I didn't do it properly. Right now I'm only doing it halfway, or not even. And the so most probably gives around 6 volts. Alright, and now I'm gonna switch it to 12. No, that was 7.5. 9, 12. Okay, that was 6 actually. Okay, we're jumping to 7.5. No, that was 7.5 I think before. Yeah. So this 7.5, I made a mistake.